Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox Philips Hairdryer 3000 series. Now this comes in at around 120 ringgit. And then this comes in from Shopee without any packaging, and the the shipping information is right onto it, so when I peel it, it becomes like this, so just ignore it. Now in the front it says powerful drying at lower temperature with ThermoProtect attachment. See, we have a styling nozzle here. It is a 1600 watt with ThermoProtect. So as you can see, this is it in the fold shape. This is foldable handle, so it comes with foldable handle, and that's why you see that they can pack it in such a small packaging here. And here it says, so there's 3 levels of adjustment: cold, air, foldable, and it comes with 1.8 meters of wire. I think on the top and the bottom, and it comes with 2 years warranty. And it says that the box is made of at least 90% recycled material, which is cool. So without further ado, let's open this. So this is the styling nozzle here, and this is the ThermoProtect attachment. And lastly, this is the hairdryer itself. But before that, let's see what's inside the box. Oh, okay. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe this is just to level it up. Some manuals. Oh wow, they actually come like this, which is not good. Okay, and this is about the warranty. And here is the hairdryer itself. As you can see, it's in the folded shape now. So now let me just try and fold it up. It is a bit tight, but it is very firm, which is good. And yeah, you can see the shape here is quite unique. Yeah, Philips here. It's all in black color. So 3 levels here. I like the design. So let's see, how do we attach this? So it's not screwed on, but it latches on. So you need to pull it. How about this? Cool. It all latches on, they don't screw on. So without further ado, let's try and run it. Let me just check. Right, the cool air now. So let's blow it. So yeah, it's off, blow cold air, low heat, high heat. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share if you find this useful. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. It does feel made of quality materials.